Hello world. Hope we are all doing well. I once again welcome you all to the Pentium Gh channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join the Pentium family and do not forget to click on the bell icon to stay notified on my channel. There are times where you feel cheated by your boyfriend or girlfriend, so you want to have access to their phone to check on them. You may also want to have access to their WhatsApp chat for personal reasons. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read your friend's WhatsApp messages on your phone without them knowing. Alright, let's get started. First, get your friend's phone and open his WhatsApp messenger. Tap on the chat you wish to read. Select the three dot on the top right corner and tap on Export Chat. Here, you have multiple options to share chat with WhatsApp or Gmail. Choose your preferred media.
I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just
Voila! You are through. Open your chat and have access to all the messages. Thanks for watching and do subscribe if you find this useful. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.